Let's check sound first. Can you hear my voice?
Yes,
Loud and
Miss.
clear?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Participants, and please
17.
remember to turn on video. Ingat selalu menghidupkan video, oke? Iya. Nah,
Miss, ada Miss.
what?
Miss di rumah. Miss di rumah.
I'm everywhere. Miss di mana-mana. I'm at your home. Miss di rumah kamu.
Miss
Hi Pici. Hi everybody in Big Dipper class. Are you ready for English Zoom class today?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, but before we start, I have a little game. It is brain gym. What is it? Huh? Brain gym. Okay, let me show you the video. Nah, brain gym is the exercise for the brain. Ya. Olahraga untuk brain, otak. Okay? So it practice how we focus on something. Okay, now I will share the screen for all of us in here. Okay, now can you see the screen?
Yes, Miss. No. Yes, Miss.
Can?
Yes. Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Okay, yeah. Now, listen to me. This is a brain gym. What you need is only your hands. Yeah, you only need your hands and your finger. Yeah, we play with our finger. Okay? Understand? So show me your hands.
Bang, apa ini, Bang?
Okay, ready? Nah, there are 4 movements. Ada 4 gerakan. Okay? Okay, ready ya? Let's watch the video. Follow the movement. Ikuti using your hands. Can you follow the fingers, Lisa? Follow the finger, raise your finger. Oh, I almost can. This one the easiest one, ini yang paling gampang. Okay. So who can follow the tadi?
Miss.
Ya, change. Dia bergantian. Ini simple but why it's hard ya? Kenapa susah ya kan? Just like this. And then change to hands like this. And this. Want to play once again? Yes? Okay, let's try once again. It's hard? Sulit ya? Yeah, that is why it's called brain gym. Senam otak. Otak ini olahraga juga. That's how the brain have exercise. Itu caranya otaknya olahraga. And like this and like this and then change. Maybe you can try it at home later ya. Nanti anaknya bisa coba sendiri di rumah. Next time we play that again. Okay, nanti kita main lagi. Yes?
You said this is brain gym, right?
Yes.
Why to me it's like finger gym, miss?
Brain gyms. Yeah, it's because the brain instruct the finger. Can the finger follow the brain's instruction? Bisa nggak jari-jarinya mengikuti perintah dari otak? Change this one, and then change, and then, can you do it? It's okay, but later we will practice that again, the brain gym, okay? Nah, so for today, I hope everybody has read the PDF file I shared this morning. What is it about today?
Fire safety.
Fire safety, yes. And we have project. Nah, the fire safety is for English project, okay? Ini untuk project English. So, the point is, the students, Ms. Ferades, is hoping the student can give instructions in order and clear. Okay, so Miss mau anak-anaknya bisa memberikan instruksi secara berurutan dan jelas. Okay, nah, for this project, the material you use, bahan yang digunakan is you can use your cell phone or your video recorder. Okay, because you have to record when you are giving instructions. Okay. Anybody has watched my YouTube link here? Ada
Sali belum. Sali belum.
Okay. Why don't you watch for it?
Adlan watch, Miss. I watch.
Watch it, harus dilihat lah instruksinya apa yang Miss buat. What I made. Okay. Nah, later you can watch it yourself. Nanti bisa tonton lagi sendiri ya. Okay, so the steps in doing the project. The steps in doing the project. Langkah-langkahnya atau caranya dalam mengerjakan project ini. First, everybody, what is the first? Everybody please read what is number 1. What is the first step? 1, 2, 3, go.
Open and do Superbook 42. Remember and do Open and do Superbook 9H 42.
Okay, number 2.
Remember a mobilizer instruction order and page 42 about safety. Record a video of the
Okay, yeah. Now, when is the deadline for Big Dipper class? Kapan di pengumpulan?
Tuesday 17 November 2020.
Yes.
2020.
Good. For Big Dipper class, the deadline for collecting or sending the project is Tuesday 17 November. Ya, it means next week ini in green color yang warna hijau ini ya. That is for Big Dipper class. Remember, ingat. And please be on time. Ingat harus tepat waktu saat mengirimkan. Okay? Don't be late. Next. What am I going to score for your project? Apa yang akan Miss nilai dalam projectnya? You can see this. This one. Assessment. Penilaiannya. What am I going to score? There are 5 kriteria ya. Ada 4 yang mau Miss lihat nanti. When you are making the project. When you are sending the video to Miss. First, number 1, I want to see the order in giving instruction. Urutannya. Is it correct or not? Is it messing up or not? Okay. Apakah sudah berurutan atau you scramble it, cak-cakan ya. Number 2, fluency. What do I mean fluency? Artinya apa? Kelancaran. Do you make the video? Do you, when giving instruction, do you do it fluently? Apakah kamu lakukannya secara lancar? Or you are nervous atau gugup, grogi, nggak pede menampilkan videonya ya. You have to do it fluently. And number 3, the next criteria is intonation and vocal. Ya, you have to speak clearly, harus berbicara dengan jelas when you are giving instruction. Okay, when you say today we want to have English project. Nah, so the vocal is clear, jelas suaranya. Okay, don't say today we have English project. You cannot, it's not clear, nggak jelas suaranya, vokalnya. Okay, now time. Okay, time, waktunya. As you see, point number 4 here, recording duration is not more than 1 minute. Merekam videonya tidak lebih dari 1 menit ya. Ya, not more than 1 minute. 1 minute, okay. Kalau dia pas 1 menit, boleh. And the last is creativity, kreativitasnya. Do you make the video interesting? Do you put some decoration? Do you make writing on your video? That is creativity. Itu salah satu contoh kreativitas. Ada tulisan-tulisan nanti di videonya. That's good. Itu kreativitas ya. Okay. So, as we see earlier, the first step is, where is it? Okay, the first step, we do our Supermind book first. Kita kerjakan dulu buku Supermind booknya, page 42. So, take it out. Keluarkan bukunya.
Use pencil, Miss.
It's better you use pen. You have to learn or practice using pen ya. Belajar menggunakan pulpen. Oke? Okay?
Berarti ini pakai pulpen.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, this one, right? This is page 42. Do we have the same?
Yes.
Same. On the screen, sama di layar kamu.
Sama, Miss.
Page 42. Let's do this first. Remember, write the date. In the book, write the date at page 42. Ingat selalu menulis tanggal. What date is it today? Tanggal berapa hari ini? What date is it today?
10.
Yes,
10.
10 November. 10 November, we commemorate as Heroes Day. 10 November itu diperingati sebagai Hari Pahlawan loh. Do you remember? Anaknya ingat nggak? Commemorate the Heroes Day, Hari Pahlawan, 10 November. Do you remember? Ingat tidak hari ini Hari Pahlawan?
No.
Oh. Okay, finish writing the date. If you have finished, please show the thumbs up icon. Yang sudah selesai tulis tanggal, show me the thumbs up icon, please. Nggak ada di kalender, William. Karena itu bukan holiday. Biasanya di kalender tuh holiday baru ada ditulis. Oke. Okay, ready? Let's start. Let's do it together. Okay, so let's do this first. Kita kerjakan sama-sama dulu ya. Tadi fire safety. What should you do? Read and check the correct picture. Okay, so we read the order number 1 until number 6. These are the order. Okay, these are the steps. Okay, now we will give a check to each of this number. Okay, I want number 1. All the boys read. All the boys read number 1, yeah? 1, 2, 3, go.
Never hide in your clothes or under the bed. You need to leave the room. Leave the room.
So, number 1, which is the picture? The left side or the right side?
The left side.
Left side.
Left side.
Never hide in your closet or under the bed. You need to
Right.
leave the
Right
room.
side.
Boys,
Right
left
side.
side or right side? Kiri atau kanan?
Left.
Left. It's supposed to be right, Lana. Ini right. Ya, right. Leave the room, leave the room, tinggalkan ruangannya. Jangan bersembunyi di bawah di kamar mandi atau di bawah tempat tidur. Kamu perlu meninggalkan ruangan. Right side ya. Oke, number 2 all the girls. Fokus. 1, 2, 3, go.
Leave the house but don't run.
Okay, girls. Number 2, this one. Is it left or right?
Left.
Left, right.
Right. Left.
Leave the house
Left.
but
Ini.
don't run. Tinggalkan rumah dengan segera, tapi jangan lari. Which one?
Right. Right.
Okay, check Mr. Hades. For number 2, check Mr. Hades. Left or right? Left, this one right.
Right, Miss. Left. Left. Karena dibilang kan jangan lari, ya udah yang left.
Yeah, good job. It say don't run, berarti yang left dong. Good job. Okay, next number 2, boys.
Close doors behind you.
Behind you.
Close doors behind you. Which one, left or right?
Right.
This one left. This one right. Yes, right. Good job. Give a check. Kasih checklist. Now number 4, all the girls.
Don't look for things to take with you.
Okay, which one?
Take
Which one?
left.
This one left. This one right.
Left.
What?
Kan nanti gak usah dibilang ambil barang-barang, ya udah.
Left. Yes, left. Try to speak English. Practice your English. Okay, and number 5. Boys. Boys, number 5. Where are the boys?
There is phone call on the floor.
There is the
floor.
Okay. When there is smoke, crawl on the floor. The air is the safest close to the floor. Ketika ada asap, crawl, merangkak. Merangkak atau merayap di lantai. Udara adalah tempat paling aman yang dekat dari lantai. Okay, so number 5. Left or right?
Right. Left.
This one right.
Left.
Left or right?
Left.
Crawl. Nah, this one crawl, dia merayap ya, merayap ke merangkak. Okay, left. And the last, all the girls please. Number 6.
Call the emergency service.
What's the sound? Call the emergency services.
Call the emergency service.
Hubungi pelayanan darurat. Which one is that? Yang mana itu?
Right.
Right. Which one?
Right.
Right. Okay, kanan. The right side. Okay, we've done for this. Now let's see. We have done for page 42. So those are, yeah, this one. These are the steps that you need to memorize. Number 1 until 6. Inilah yang harus kamu ingat. And you record yourself. Okay. Number 1 until 6. You memorize this and then you record yourself with a video. Okay. Okay. Okay, ya. Number 1 we've done. Ini sudah selesai. Now, start from number 2. You have to memorize the instruction in order at page 42. Ya, ingat petunjuk atau perintah secara berurutan pada halaman 42 tadi. Number 1 until 6. Then you record your video. Lalu di-record. And remember, the duration is not more than 1 minute. Lama perekamannya tidak boleh lebih dari 1 menit ya.
Berarti rekamannya cuma 1 menit aja, Miss.
Yes.
Tapi boleh tambahin musik kan, Miss?
Oh, of course. Please speak English. This is Salsali ya?
Ya.
Please practice your English, Salsali. Practice. Okay, yes. The time is only 1 minute. You want to add creativity? Look at here in the assessment. And you put music. That is good. Itu bagus ya. Music.
Don't look
Itu
for
masuk dalam
things to
kreativitas
take
namanya.
with you. 5.
Remember, who is it?
When there is
Mute
smoke,
yourself, please. Who's speaking? Siapa yang bicara itu? Miss dengar suaranya. Mute yourself. Okay. Salsali said, Miss, can we add music? Yes. That is creativity. Itu contoh penilaian kreativitas. Music. But remember, the music not too loud, please. Jangan terlalu besar suara musiknya. Nanti Miss nggak dengar apa yang kamu bilang. Ya. Your sound should be louder than the music. Suara kamu harus lebih besar dari suara musiknya. Okay? Understand? Okay, now any questions? Ada yang mau bertanya? Is it clear or not? Any questions? Ramos, stop playing with the background. Focus. Yes, Vici?
Miss, when you share the PDF kan, Miss, kenapa punya yang Orion lebih lama, Miss?
Yeah, because Orion ya. Orion, they start English on Friday. That's why.
Oh.
That's why different with Big Dipper class, right? It's the time is 1 week. Ya, itu 1 minggu kok. Don't be jealous, jangan cemburu. Because Orion, they have English on Friday, ya, Pici. That's the reason. Who else? Any questions? Ramos, fokus. Now I want to ask Ramos, ya. Misalnya Ramos dulu. Ramos, when is the deadline sending the recording project? Ramos? Unmute. When is the deadline sending English project? Kapan batas pengirimannya untuk kelas Big Dipper? Ramos? Nah. Fokus. I ask you to focus. No playing with the background. Nggak usah main background. Nanti itu. Oke, fokus Ramos ya. Ya, Salsali.
Berarti musiknya standar aja suaranya kan, Miss?
You have to practice speaking English. This is English class. Okay. Anybody? Make sure the music, if you want to add music, your sound is louder than the music. Suara kamu yang harus lebih besar dari musiknya ya. Music just the background. Okay, any more? Ada lagi? Want to ask? Who else? Show the thumbs up, please. Vici again. What is it, Vici?
Nggak boleh nengok buku sama sekali jadinya, Miss.
No, you have to memorize it. Harus dia ingat. So you can do it fluently and clear. Supaya bisa lancar dan jelas. When you look at the book, you cannot focus to the camera. Kalau kamu lihat buku, pasti kamu nggak bisa fokus ke kamera, you know? The result will not be good. Hasilnya pasti nggak bagus. Ya, Shalom.
Miss, dibaca sambil dilakukan kan, Miss?
No, you have to memorize. Memorize, what is memorize?
Memorize.
Ingat, dihafal.
Iya.
The 6 steps, yang 6 tadi. The 6 steps. And page
Nggak usah
42.
dilakukan kan?
No
Nggak usah
need.
dilakukan geraknya.
No need. But if you want to be creative, you can do it. Kalau mau dapat nilai kreativitas, boleh. You can do it.
Oh, thank you, Miss.
Okay. Anything else? So that's clear, udah jelas ya? Okay, one more time. When is the deadline for Big Dipper class, Adeline? When is the deadline for Big Dipper class? Chat Miss Ferades. When is the deadline for Big Dipper class? Chat Miss Ferades. Miss. Deadline sending the project, English project. When is it? Chat Miss Ferades. No one chat me. No one remember. Berarti nggak ada yang ingat ini. Alia the first. Alia yang pertama nih. Oke, Richard, yes. Vici, yes. Ripka, still 5 students. Where are the 20 more students? William, Tuesday. What is the date, William? Tuesday, Selasa kapan? The date, tanggalnya. Ya, Jevanya, William, Juju, Fatia, yes. Next. Iya, Shalom, iya. Who else? When is it? Tian, you haven't checked Miss Ferades. When is the deadline sending the English project? Chat Miss. Who else? Winston, you haven't chat Miss. Ramos, not yet chat miss. When is the deadline? Kapan batas pengumpulannya? Ripka, not yet. Yeah. Andika, not yet. George, not yet. When is the deadline? Chat Miss Verades. Oswald Jevanya, Salsali. Where are the others? Yang lain belum chat. Okay, yes, 17 November. It's on Tuesday, ya. Hari Selasa, minggu depan. 17 November. Okay, yes. So, how many criteria I will for the assessment project? How many criteria for assessment project? Berapa banyak kriteria tadi yang akan Miss nilai? How many? Chat Miss Verades again. How many criteria that I will score or I will see from your video? Yes. Oswald already, Vici, yes, correct. Who else? Still 2, only 2 focus on Miss ya. 6, no, Ripka, not 6. Kriteria penilaian. 5 ya. That is the order, fluency, intonation vokal. And the last is time also ya. Ada 5. 5 ya. Now, the last question. How many instruction you should have to memorize or remember? About fire safety, how many instruction you have to remember? Yes, good job. Shalomita, Vici ya. Devanya, yes, correct. Oswald, yes. Alia, correct. Good. Ripka, yes. Fatia, yes. Who else? The others? Richard, not yet. Iya, yes, good. Okay, there is a question here from Andika. Miss, itu dipraktekkan videonya atau cuma dibaca saja? Anyone can answer? Ada yang bisa bantu Miss jawab? Dipraktekkan atau dibaca saja katanya? Anyone can help Miss to answer Andika? Ripka maybe. Ripka, do you just read it? Or you practice it?
Practice it.
What? Louder please.
Practice.
Practice. Okay. You have to memorize it first. Dihafal dulu, lalu di videokan yang ke-6 langkah, ke-6 instructionnya ya, Andika. Oke. Diingat lalu di videokan. Yes, Shalomita, good job. Diingat lalu di videokan. Memorize it. Okay? Andika, is that clear? Oke ya. Diingat lalu divideokan. Oke, iya. Oke. If there is no more questions, then we will end this meeting. Any more questions? Oh, Richard. What is it, Richard? Unmute.
Can you repeat, Miss?
Which one? Yang mana di-repeat?
The homework.
Hah? I will send the video. Miss akan kirim video aja lah. Okay, I will send the recording today in Big Dipper class. Nanti biar dilihat orang tuanya siapa yang fokus, siapa yang enggak juga ini. I will send this video recording to Big Dipper class. Okay. So remember, you memorize the 6 order in giving instruction, and then you video yourself, remember the 5 criteria I will see from your video. If you want to make music, yes, of course you may make edit in your video. Okay? Okay, that's it for today. Remember, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, Shalomita said can send what? Shalomita?